The reason why emotional suppression is draining your energy is not what you think. In the next few minutes, I'm going to explain why holding emotions in doesn't create calm and why giving your emotions a safe outlet can restore your energy and ease. I've created a simple 10-minute singing meditation for you, so if you would like to try this for free, just comment calm. I'm going to send you a link to a video. And it's designed for people who feel heavy with their emotions, who feel flat with their emotions, not expressive, and it's made to help you release your emotions in a safe way. I'm Energy. I'm the creator of the stress relief singing method. It's a voice-based approach to emotional release and nervous system regulation. No pressure, no performance. So, emotional expression is not having feelings, it's about having feelings with nowhere to go. And it feels uncomfortable. If you have feelings you try to control, then your body feels tense and your mind feels tense. You're always activated. You're telling yourself to just keep it all together, not express emotions, keep calm, and actually this creates even more tension. So what people do to solve that problem of too many emotions with nowhere to go, they start journaling, they start silent meditation, or they tell themselves they should be over it. They tell themselves to just keep it all together and they don't express them. And the thing is that emotions are not in the mind, they are in the body. And all of these things people try are cognitive. This doesn't express these emotions. They don't have a way to get out and they stay in the body. Your energy stays in, your nervous system is activated, and your body feels more tense. So, we need to express emotions. They need expression and not explanation. Because your emotions are not a problem that you solve. They need movement. They are signaling to you. We need a way to move through the body to release. And my approach is what I teach is these 3 steps. Step 1 is don't try to calm your emotions. They are not the problem. They just need a way to move through you. And step 2 is to just use sound, because sound is one of the most direct ways to express emotions. And step 3 is use your voice in a gentle way, not to perform or not to perform or to sing well, just in a gentle way to regulate your nervous system, to release your emotions. And singing and humming allows your emotions to move through the body and it feels so effortless. And that's why when people sing, they feel so much lighter afterwards and they don't even know why. They don't know what they have expressed, but just the action of singing and humming gives your emotions the way out of the body, the way out of the mind. You get your energy back, the mind quiets naturally, and the body softens. It's so simple. And if you would like to work with this in a gentle and structured way, my stress relief singing method is on sale. And if you would like to know the details, I put it in the description box. It's a method that doesn't ask you to relive the past or dig too much into your emotions. It gives you a gentle way to use your voice daily with daily short rituals, and gives you your emotions the way to get out of the body, get out of the mind. It allows you to move with your emotions, to let them out, to express them in a very gentle, soft way. And if you would like to do this regularly, this is the way. So just check it out. It's in the description box. And I'm wishing you that you don't think about emotions that they're actually in your way. We are all humans. Feeling emotions is beautiful. Just let them out. They are meant to be released and expressed.